Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. R-Sport trim, Polaris white exterior and cashew/truffle interior. Carfax 1 owner, excellent condition, Jaguar certified, low miles, 18,053. Reduced from $49,999. Navigation, sunroof, heated seats, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,000 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Purchase with confidence, 6-year/100,000 mile premium limited warranty, 165-point inspection and reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, vehicle history report, no deductible, balance of original 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. Experts report. Edmunds.com explains aluminum construction makes the XJ lighter than it looks, and the Jag has an agility that some rivals can't match. Driver selectable settings for the engine and transmission provide discernible differences and enable softer or more aggressive responses from the driveline. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.